you're going to pay
Okay, hey
me.
everybody. So we are at Universal Studios, a taste of Universal, and we just got our first taste of food. So here we got the fish and chips. We're at Three Broomsticks restaurant, and I got the shepherd's pie, and we both got our first ever butterbeer. So let's see. How is it? So my husband's tasting his. What's it taste like?
Butterscotch
Okay, here.
cappuccino.
Let me taste it. Okay, let's see. You can get me. They've seen me. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. Is it really hot?
It's not McDonald's coffee.
Oh, that's really good. I like that. It's good. It's good. Okay, wait. I'm gonna taste this here. So this is. I'm gonna get a piece of everything. It's like a pot pie.
Covered with potatoes.
Well, it's shepherd's pie, and we make shepherd's pie at home. Yes, this is really good. I kind of thought it would be good. I like this. Okay. My husband is cracking up at me, you guys. Should I taste your fish too? Because he doesn't want to be on camera. So taste your fish. Let me know how it is. I'm not getting you on camera.
I'm hoping it's fish.
It's fish. This is really good, you guys. It's really good. Okay. So it's a good sized piece of fish.
Yes.
It's not too bad.